Primetime news this evening. JDF intensifies probe into sexual harassment allegations.
Government MP calls for subcontractors to be fired in St. Thomas Road project.
And businesses and consumers more optimistic about the Jamaican economy. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in Business Day. Here's Javon Keys.
Thanks, Janella. The Caribbean will have access to more funding for projects from the United Kingdom's government, with its agency, British International Investment, returning to the region. I'll tell you more later on.
All right, thanks, Javon. And from Javon, we go to Renardo. He'll tell us what's coming up in sports. Renardo?
Well, Herman, it's a case of better late than never. Jamaican 400-meter hurdler earns Olympic medal 10 years after crossing the line in London. That and much more during Primetime Sports.
And before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. Do you know the details of your workplace sexual harassment policy? Give details for your answer.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1. Now, before we take a break, guys, we have some breaking news. We're just been informed that theater icon Leonie Forbes is dead. She died at the University Hospital of the West Indies just a short while ago. We'll be right back.